This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Activision Blizzard reports earnings after Tuesday's closing bell. Looking back, the stock topped out in the fourth quarter of 2018, right up in the middle 80s, and then descended, dropped like a rock into February, spent the rest of the year and through the pandemic decline, working its way back up to the prior high, which it finally succeeded in doing in August of 2020. Now, the subsequent pullback completed the handle in this very broad-based cup and handle pattern, yielding a December breakout and final surge up to above the 100 level in February 2021. Well, it's kind of been all downhill since that time. The biggest problem is the gaming industry had such a great 2020 that year-to-date comparisons in sales are very unfortunate, and are going to stay that way through most of the year because last year was when the new gaming consoles were released in addition to people being locked down and forced to play video games. So this price action in 2021 is not really good. We have this descending triangle or a double top, however you want to look at it, testing this cup and handle breakout. Now the stock did break down, failing this breakout just a week or two ago, and that happened after revelations at the Blizzard division, which World of Warcraft employees are being accused of a very toxic workplace with lots of sexual harassment. In fact, more than 100 employees have now signed a letter to the CEO asking for action on the issue. The state of California has taken notice and they filed suit against Activision Blizzard. And so we could be sure that this issue is going to stay on the financial pages probably for the rest of 2021. Now, that taken together with sort of video game sales returning to historical norms. It was about 5% year over year in June. It doesn't really bode well for the industry or this stock in particular, especially with this failed breakout. So we can look in coming months for more of this retracement to take place, perhaps down to the 60s, perhaps even lower, before the committed buyers come back in and perhaps test this broken level.